Make her smile.
This is 12-week-old Natalie. Yeah. We're gonna go roll over. You ready? She's like, what are you doing? There you go. Okay, you see yourself in that mirror? This might be a long video.
It might be a long video.
Yeah, we like you lifting your head. Isn't that good?
That's good.
That's real good.
That'll make the doctor pretty happy.
She's like, yeah. You gonna roll over for us? You roll over, monkey? Oh, you made the music go off.
It's your grandmother's favorite music.
Oh. Nasty.
Should we zoom in on that?
Let's not get the back in her room. Sweetheart.
Oh, now the hiccups start.
Oh, but you're rolling over. You gonna do it? Let me take your mustache off.
She could work for the Milk Industry Association. You almost got it.
You can do it. Yay! Good job, Natalie. You rolled yourself over again. I know. Say, I did it. Now get the milk out of my nose. Yay! Do you see Daddy in the camera? Oh, I'm so upset now. Yeah, and you got your silly old hiccups. Oh, you'll be okay.
That pretty much makes it better.
Enough.
Oh, there's a cute mama.